Alright guys, there's the battery main switch. When you come to the boat, it would be off. Turn it to on. You'll turn this main on. Then you come back here on the port side of the boat. Down here, down below, is the water shutoff valve. Let me turn this light on here. So there's the water shutoff valve right there. If it's pointing towards the dock, it means it's off. If it's pointing down towards the water, that means you're on the water. You're sailing. So I just got done with it. Well, I'm going to go ahead and start it again. If the engine wasn't firing, you would be pumping this to get some compression to the tank. For the diesel, needs compression. And this knob right here, whenever you go to start it, you turn it to the up position, a long lever pointing at noon or 11:30, and you only turn that clockwise. Once you have that to 11:30 or 12, you have your water turned on. You have the battery on and the main on. It should start with the key if there's proper compression. If it doesn't, I take this and I come back here to the starter and I simply push. That's how I jump start it. When you go to shut off the engine, pull the decompression valve. Once it stops, push it back in. That's how you start the engine.